How to use the Extrude Boss Base feature in Solidworks. You'll find the feature in the top left corner of your Features tab. Hovering over the Extrude Boss Base feature, you'll read that it extrudes a sketch or selected sketch contours in one or two directions to create a solid feature. Clicking it will prompt you to create a sketch. So we're going to create it on the top plane. We're going to use the center rectangle sketch entity, anchor it on the center, click it, smart dimension it, add an equal relationship to the top and horizontal lines by just selecting the contour or the region, by just selecting the region. Click OK, exit sketch, and the Extrude Boss Base feature will automatically be applied. You can select Offset from the drop-down menu and offset the Extrude base and offset the extrude to either one of the directions, or you can just leave it as sketch plane. The other options are unavailable because our part is empty. You can flip the direction of the extrude. You can either do it top or bottom, depends on your preference. Mid-plane will allow you to have a equally divided extrude function. So putting in 20 will have 10 mm on the top and 10 mm on the bottom. We're going to go for blind and give it a magical number 42. You can use the draft option, which will draft every side of your product, of your feature, with the amount you fill in. So if you put in 5 degrees, then every side of the cube will be drafted with 5 degrees. You can draft outwards to flip it, or inwards to keep it as a sort of pyramid. Now direction 2 will actually create an extrusion on the bottom of the product, and they can apply the exact same features as within direction 1. We're not going to use it today. The thin feature will allow you to create like a walled product. We're not going to use the draft angle with it. And the thin feature will show you that you have an option to create walls on the outside of your product using the one direction, or having walls on the outside and the inside using mid-plane, or using two directions where you're free to play with both the inside and the outside of the walls. Now you can cap the ends to create a hollow product, but we're not interested in a hollow product right now. If you open the selected contours part, you'll see that sketch 1 is selected. You can clear selection and click on the region which is created within the closed sketch. Click it and you'll see that sketch 1 region 1 is selected. You can also choose to select the sketch lines yourself. So you click it and you see that sketch 1 contour is selected. Another option is to select the sketch in your feature tab, and you'll see that sketch 1 is only selected. It then automatically removes all the other additions you've created, with the thin feature for example. Click OK and you'll see that the one solid body is created. The Extrude Boss Base feature comes with something else. Click it again, click either one of your faces on your cube, press Ctrl 8 to normal to the face you've selected, create a square entity, smart dimension it, equal relation, exit sketch. Now there's another option that appeared. Within your feature tab you can select the merge result option. If you unclick it, you'll create two separate solid bodies. We're going to click OK, and you'll see it in your solid bodies tab. On the left you have created two solid bodies which are manipulatable separately. Well, this is about everything you can tell about the Extrude Boss Base feature. I hope you liked it, I hope it was useful, and I hope to see you in the next videos.